Aim to be Pokemon Master Episode 9. Since this is the last episode for Team Rocket, we are gonna take time to discuss about the episode and also the future of Team Rocket along with the Pokemon. So I have decided that this video is gonna be divided into 5 parts that are gonna be: number 1, Team Rocket old Pokemon; number 2, the betrayal; number 3, getting over it; number 4, mystery of Latias and end of Team Rocket; number 5, conclusion. So these are gonna be the 5 parts on which we are gonna discuss about today's review video along with some discussion. But before starting the video, if you are new here, please like, share and subscribe my channel and follow up the playlist section for more amazing content and press the bell icon for the latest update. The episode starts with the return of Delibird, who brings a special delivery for Team Rocket. Yes, finally their all old Pokemons are returning. So apparently Giovanni orders them to take care of them using his gold statue. So as we know that all the Pokemons of Team Rocket are along with Giovanni. We got almost all the leftover Pokemons of Team Rocket, but except the most OG Pokemon like Arbok, Weezing, Lickilicky, Whippinbell, etc. This was the Team Rocket episode and I was really excited for it. So since all of Team Rocket Pokemon are there, it means that it's that would be a spoiler. So you have to wait for in the end. So we finally see Ash, Misty and Brock going somewhere when suddenly Mine Jr. decided to show up out of nowhere, and it seems to be in a very bad condition, which Pikachu realized at the moment. But as seeing the condition of Mine Jr., he was very emotional, and with the help of Mine Jr. super acting skills, they decided to take him in care while Team Rocket show up out of nowhere. So from Team Rocket we got to know that Mine Jr. was deceiving Team Rocket and going to Officer Jenny in order to surrender. So Team Rocket want him back, but Ash doesn't ready to give him back. So this is where we start that usual Team Rocket amazing episode. So with the usual plan of Team Rocket to catch Pikachu, this time all of Team Rocket Pokemons are here to stop Ash, Misty and Brock from running away. So here they decided to split in order to get away from them. First Brock does it with the return of his Pokemon Ludicolo, and together with Toxicroak they do some special kind of dance to distract them. Meanwhile Misty and Ash somehow get away from them, and similarly Misty splits up with Ash by using his Starmie and Psyduck. Leave it.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Then we see the return of Infernape and Hawlucha, the two fighting Pokemons, although they didn't do anything. So Ash asked Pikachu to take care of Mime Jr. so that he can handle that two leftover Pokemons of Team Rocket. With that, Pikachu and Mime Jr. ran away from them together. Later we found out that it was all Team Rocket plan to catch Pikachu. Yeah, that same old tricks. And I'm sorry, I forgot to add, but Latias is also there, who is randomly just like all other episode seeing Ash, Pikachu and everyone. But seeing Pikachu in trouble, she somehow was able to give signal to Ash for help. And Ash along with Infernape and Hawlucha reach out on time. And now they are totally surrounded, and suddenly Latias decided to show up herself in front of everyone finally, instead of just watching, and blast Team Rocket by using Psychic. So finally it's time for Latias, and with that episode's end. Wait, Latias decided to show as another her memory of Latios destroying some kind of ancient ruin or something, which is gonna be related to all the upcoming episodes, which are episode 10, 11 and 12. Meanwhile, Team Rocket were fighting among them and blaming each other that whose fault was it that they weren't able to catch Pikachu. And yes, with that they decided to go their separate way. So the episode was very good. I think all the things have covered very nicely in the episode. I don't have any sort of complaints except the parts of Pokemon, Ash Pokemon or any other Pokemon who are not used often. But I aren't complaining because Team Rocket covers up for that part. But yeah, seeing them return, it was really emotional because we have a lot of bonding with them. But yeah, if only we have got a little more time with Team Rocket and other Pokemons, that would be a lot much better than what we have got. But yeah, we haven't got Arbok and Weezing, but at least we got them. So let's be grateful for Pokemon Company. So thanks Pokemon Company for giving us a small moment along with Team Rocket and their old Pokemons. So yeah, this episode was quite good. Now coming back to the Team Rocket, is this the end for Team Rocket? I don't think so. This is the last episode for Team Rocket. Well, there are many reasons, but the most probable reason is that they don't have any other villains other than Team Rocket. That's what I think. And number two, you can say we have a lot of more things to see. We are not ready to give Team Rocket away. We are not ready to say goodbye to Team Rocket yet now. We already are aware of that. This is the last moments with Ash and Pikachu and yeah, every other companions of Ash. But we are not ready with Team Rocket also leaving this show. Otherwise, there is nothing left in the Pokemon which we can call it nostalgic, original, or sort of that thing. So I don't think Team Rocket, this is the last episode. They will again reunite and they will do that bonding. They're bonding and again call themselves Team Rocket. So don't worry about that part. And with that, I give this episode a solid 8 out of 10. It's great. So I hope you like my review. If you like my review, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon for the latest update. Do follow up with the playlist. So see ya, have a good day.